Thank you to SPJIMR Institute of Management and Research, an institute which is building country's tomorrow's future, and Mankind has partnered with them. We want to build our team a skillful team who can lead tomorrow's business, because we all know Mankind is growing at the speed of rocket and we want leaders for tomorrow. I'm very happy to say that today we have signed it out with the institute, and we are doing a course for our front-end people to develop them good leaders of tomorrow. And I'm so excited, I'm so happy to be here in the institute, because this place has a different vibes which bring a different dimensions of learning, which will not only give my people a new perspective of leadership, a new perspective of management, new perspective of selling a product. They will also become a better human being, better leaders, which will be able to cultivate a better culture, because this institute is famous for building culture with education and making a complete personality of a person. I'm so excited to be here. Looking forward for a very, very, very excited journey for my people. Thank you.
We at SPJIMR have been delivering programs for the pharma and healthcare sector for more than 2 decades now. And over the years, we have been adding new companies to our portfolio. We are absolutely delighted to sign an MoU with Mankind Pharma Limited today. We look forward to an exciting and fruitful journey of association with the company in the coming years.